These are the three most famous ocean animals, and one of them isn't nearly as friendly as movies make it seem. Sharks are involved in far fewer fatal encounters than their reputation suggests. Most species have never even been linked to an attack. Dolphins aren't always gentle and friendly. Wild dolphins have injured swimmers who got too close or acted aggressively. And whales aren't fish at all. They're mammals that need to surface regularly just to breathe air. The dolphin one surprised a lot of people who grew up on friendly dolphin movies. The ocean's icons don't always match their public image.